do a street food tour and taste all the street food, but there's no street food in here, so we cannot do that anymore. So instead we're gonna compare prices of electronics in one of the biggest shops of electronics in Ayakba. So stay tuned to see some prices. And we will do the street food tour another day. I'm gonna look for some lenses. Maybe we can find something. I actually want a zoom lens, but maybe they're cheaper here because Sony is, I think, a Japanese company. So might be cheaper. Let's see. We are in camera heaven. Whew. Look at this. Okay. Nikon? No Nikon. I need the 24 to 70. Oh, this one. G Master. This one is cheap though. So in the Netherlands, this lens costs 949. Okay, and let's see if I convert it. It's more expensive here, which is weird. Too bad.
Lens for you.
I will not buy a new lens here because
then I can buy cheaper. More clothes.
It's not cheaper, unfortunately. Tina's gonna check the prices on the Dysons. So the Airwrap.
Dyson Airwrap.
So
but
60.
I don't know the difference. What is like?
I don't know, but if you take that one, the 61,000, which is equal to like 387. I think this one is cheaper here.
I think so, but I don't know for sure.
So we check how much it is in the Netherlands?
Yeah.
Whoa, that is a big difference.
Yeah, so it's
the difference is
200.
The difference is 200 euros. So if you want to get an Airwrap, unfortunately we don't have any space and no
but
budget.
I don't need it. I don't use a hair dryer.
She doesn't use it. But if you're planning to get a Dyson
and you're coming to Japan, you can buy it here.
Dyson V12, which we have in the Netherlands. I think we got it for around 550, I think. Right? We got it for 550, and here it comes at, you can show it, way more expensive. So this is the tax-free price, so the 10% is already off, so this is very expensive. So the difference is around 200 euros compared to the Netherlands. But keep in mind, this is a newer one version, so we don't know the price now in the Netherlands, but let me check actually. I will check real quick. Is it 533 euros? So Dyson products are very expensive.
Not all, because the Airwrap was cheaper, remember.
So the GoPro 11. Oh shit, they even have the newest one now.
Whoa.
The Hero 12. I didn't even know that one existed. But that one costs like 70,000 yen, which is around, it's 444 euros. That is cheap. That is cheap. Because we paid 700 for the Creator Edition. So for the R setup, which has the Volta and an extra mic and an extra light, was 700 euros. Damn! We should have got this here in Japan. Alright, so the Mavic 3 Pro, which costs, let's see, the Pro Cine. I know for a fact that this one in the Netherlands costs around 4,000. So let me see. Here it's 563,000. So it is almost the same price. But we can check out the Air 3, which we have. Let's see at a price of okay, this is the Fly More combo. We don't have the Fly More combo, but we have the top one. It's in oi 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 oi. Oi 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 oi.
How much did you pay? 1,200.
No, I paid 1,100.
Wow.
So it's a big difference. Like items like Sony and stuff like that will be cheaper, but that is on the contrary, that is more expensive. Whereas
like similar.
Whereas things that they import from China, it's cheaper. It's cheaper, which to me doesn't really make sense. But yeah, I mean, okay. Oh, maybe we can actually get a battery. If it's cheap, we can get a battery here. Okay, let's look it up.
Only have one battery, so an extra one would be nice to fly.
Let me see if I can find. Unfortunately, they don't have it. So
Do we need one for the GoPro?
do we need one?
So here are all the accessories for the GoPro. So
Yeah, we're
what do
gonna-
we want to get?
I think we're gonna get this one because we don't have a protector yet for our yeah, for the lens and also for the back as well. So it costs let me see, 13 euros, which I don't know the price of in the Netherlands, but for me this works. So we're gonna get this one for sure. I am hyped. I like electronics. Oh, sorry. Right, we were checking for the battery prices for the GoPro. So an Enduro battery, which in the Netherlands costs us 25, and here it's 35 euros tax free. So it's 10 euros more expensive here. Let's see what. Show them what you got. All right.
This one, but it's way too tiny.
Yeah, but this. What did you get? What does this say? It says.
Acting 3.
No. Turn it around.
At most acting 3.
Yeah. So this is for a DJI Osmo Action, which is a complete different brand.
I don't know. It looks the same.
And then this one
And
is
then
for
a
a GoPro 8. For a GoPro 8.
But we have a mic. Or like,
We have an 11, so that one won't fit.
so help me find one.
But like a lot of these things I got here on AliExpress, and I paid I think 28 euros in
We
total.
also have those.
Yeah, so I bought a
Those
water
are
case.
really expensive. They're 10 euros each.
10 euros each. So I bought these lenses for filters, I think for including the case for 20 euros on AliExpress, and there's very good quality. Let's check the prices for Apple.
Everywhere it's like crazy, and here it's really not clean.
Yeah.
If you compare it to this, crazy. And then here, everywhere it's just like the Apple Store.
Let's do a comparison for the AirPods Pro. Let's go. Cost around 39,000 yen, which is equal. Let me see, which is equal to 252 euros. And basically, the difference is 7 euros. So we can buy it for 7 euro more. So the difference is only 7. So it doesn't really matter where you buy it. There's so much of these anime stuff, and it's very expensive as well. Like we went to another store, and in the other store, I think it was like this anime girls, right? Dean?
Yeah.
Like these dolls, a little bit
Manga style.
manga style, and they were like 40,000 yen, right?
Yeah.
For like a little doll.
No, it's not really.
Okay, it was a little bit bigger,
Really like collectors items.
but still I thought it was really expensive.
It's expensive.
All right, we're looking for our final item in our
Not
price
gonna find it
comparison.
here, but
We're looking for the Sony PlayStation. Let's see, because they were in our country, they were quite out of stock, and there was a complete black market for them. So let's see how it is here. I'm guessing they have it here. But I'm just really curious at the price. This is also.
things you can a lot of people collect.
This is my favorite car, guys. The Nissan Skyline. This car.
We saw it a couple of times.
We saw this car a lot of times, and even Dina loves it now, and she's not even a car enthusiast. But that car, guys, wow, it's crazy. I'm gonna look at it again. How expensive is it? So if you want to buy the Nissan Skyline,
Okay, let me check.
the price here. So 2,170 yen. This is not a lot.
It's like 8.
80? No, right? It's like,
No, like
15. It's like 15 euros. Which is okay if you compare it to the dolls, right? Ooh, look at this, guys. We found it. PlayStation heaven. We found the PlayStation. Come. So 60,400 yen is the disc edition. Let me calculate real quickly.
I think this is not
383 euros. And I know for a fact that it's gonna be way cheaper than in the Netherlands. So it's 550 euros. So the difference is almost 170 euros, which is a lot. So if you can bring this PlayStation home, I would definitely buy it here. I mean, have a holiday in Japan and get a PlayStation home. Because in the Netherlands you also have the problem of scarcity, so you don't have them available anyway, so it's a good price.
Okay, let's see what the prices are of the Nintendo Switch. Sometimes I thought about like, should I get it because I like playing games, or like, yeah, I don't know. I think I would have fun, but it's so expensive, so I always thought, no, I'm not. I want to have it, but not for the price.
Check out this
So
price.
let's see if it's maybe cheaper here. Here is the regular ones, and those are like the new ones where you can adjust the size. Some views.
So
This is the regular one, 21,000 yen or 22. So that's about 150 euros. And in the Netherlands, we just checked the price.
that was like 230.
230. So that's a bit of a difference, 80 euro difference.
And this one?
And then you have like the
Not this one. This
new
one.
one,
Yeah.
black and white, is 210 euros.
And in the Netherlands?
And in the Netherlands, it will cost you
325.
325. So that's more than 100 euros
Big difference.
cheaper. That's a lot cheaper than in the Netherlands. And you also have a lot of games.
Hi guys, that was it. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked our price review and comparison. We will do some more in different countries as well, and hope to see you on the next one. So like and subscribe if you want to see more.